In January 2020, Southwest Airlines opened its largest hangar in the Southwest region at Houston's Hobby Airport, partnering with ASSA ABLOY on a custom Megadoor hangar door to provide a better, more efficient, and flexible work environment.
Houston Hobby employs over 300 technical operation employees and about 240 mechanics. We enjoy our new hangar doors. It sets our hangar apart from everybody else's hangar. We are maintaining the Boeing 737-800s, 700s currently in this facility. Our previous hangar and previous operations, we could only accommodate 2 aircraft in the hangar, which really limited our ability to work on aircraft and produce aircraft at nighttime. Light is very important in our industry, and the more light that we can have come into the hangar, the better. The translucent effect from the doors is extremely important to our operation.
The natural light absolutely does help our employees. Not only does it lessen the need for secondary lighting, it actually puts you in a better mood that you walk into a place that's light, bright, and ready to work in.
On our previous maintenance facility, we have the horizontal steel opening doors. Those type of doors require a door pocket on either end, which is useless space on the sides of the hangar. And it was a task to get the doors open to get one aircraft out.
To close our old hangar doors, we would have to hold the open or close button and walk with the door.
What's really nice about the Megadoors is there's a single point control panel, and you can open a single door or you can open multiple doors. Instead of opening all the doors to get out the aircraft, we only have to open 3 doors to remove a single aircraft.
ASSA ABLOY Entrance Systems. No matter how big your entrance needs are, an ASSA ABLOY Megadoor solution will help you grow. Contact us today to find out more.